Since iPhone 6, Apple was using the same 12 megapixel sensor as a primary camera. But for the first time, we have got 48 megapixel primary shooter on 14 Pro and Pro Max. In this video, I present you the camera review of the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max along with the day and night camera samples. But before we get started, make sure to follow and subscribe to iOS Droids. With that being said, let's begin. Let's begin with the camera interface. Opening up the camera, you will find 4 different modes: 0.5x, 1x, 2x and 3x. 0.5x belongs to the wide-angle camera, 3x belongs to the telephoto zoom lens, 1x and 2x belong to 48 megapixel camera, but by default 48 megapixel camera is turned off. To turn it on, go to settings, scroll down, go to camera, select format. Here you'll see an option of Pro RAW resolution. Just enable this. Tap on Pro RAW resolution. Set it to 48 megapixel. By default it will be set to 12 megapixel, but set it to 48 megapixel. Now once you do so, open up the camera. Here you will see an option of RAW mode. So when you turn on the RAW mode, you will be able to access the 48 megapixel camera. The only problem with the 48 megapixel camera is the image size is very big. And when you open the video mode, you can see an option of action mode at the top left corner. By default it is turned off. You can turn it on and shoot the videos, but I don't see any practical usage of the action mode. So this was about the camera interface. Here are the camera samples. Portrait mode is excellent on this phone. You get excellent edge detection in the photos. If you want to get good bokeh effect in the background, then you can try the portrait mode on 14 Pro and Pro Max. The quality of all the images and the videos are simply superb. If you look at the colors, saturation, the highlights and the shadows, everything is balanced. There is no compromise on the quality with any of the images. These are the sample of the images that are taken in the night. These images also performs very well. If any of the place is pitch dark for the naked human eye, then try shooting the photos with the 14 Pro to get daylight-like performance. If you are someone into photography or filming YouTube videos, then you can go for this phone without a second thought. So this was my review about the camera on iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. So that's it about the video, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.